No, do it.
That could be a way.
Do it. This is okay. So, in case you don't know, Brittany loves food, and she's like, imagine if I got like 1 million people watching a video of me just eating. I could just film, start a new YouTube channel eating.
People do it.
This is what isolation for this virus thing's doing to us right now.
These people eat really yummy food like lobster and crab and prawns and all these amazing things because they get paid to do it. It's a good excuse to eat lobster and crab.
Brittany loves food that much, she wants to be paid just to eat it.
Then when we go to the grocery store and I want to get lobster, I can be like, it's for the video.
Feel uninvited. Left home in West LA. I'm not excited. So uninspired. On my way to play the bay while you're alone. This girl's a wonder. She loves me, yeah. She needs to know I love her. I wonder if we'll make it through this summer. Just wanna touch like back when we were younger. Yeah. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me.
We got up this morning and we're cleaning out the boat. So I've gone through my tools and stuff. Brittany's doing washing. So I kind of give this a half, like sorted out a few things when we left the hard, but I never actually emptied it out. So now I'm just sorting through. This is all like my boat repair stuff. Jackson's helping Brittany with the laundry.
We need water.
You run out. We got Adventurous and Coastline. They're going to get a rental car today and do any much needed supply runs that we need. After we do all this, we'll go to shore with all our containers and probably make about 6 trips to shore. Fill up water with a tap. There's a tap there. You're what?
Nervous.
You'll be fine. You know, if worse comes to worse, you'll get shamed by everyone and they'll all dislike you and they'll hate you. No.
Is this supposed to be making me feel better?
No, worst comes to worst, you'll get a fine.
Attention class, good afternoon. Brian and I had a good ride into town. The car pickup went without an issue.
Nice.
Plan is now I'm about to do another trip back in with Lisa, Janie and Brittany, I believe. Supermarket has got everything you need. Alright, so my plan is to leave very shortly once the 3 girls are ready.
She's ready. Sunday's ready. He makes me feel better, but I feel nervous.
You'll be fine.
Let me know if you'd like me to come and help out.
Roger, thanks. So, Brittany, how big is your shop going to be, over?
I'm fine. I've got a very clear, concise list, and I know exactly what spots I'm about to hit, and I'm going to nail them and get out of there. So I'm all good. Thank you. There's Sunday and everyone, and there's the world. And here's our getaway car.
Okay.
Wow, that's pretty cool. Nothing but the essentials for everyone. No, just kidding. We've officially done our grocery shop. It's crazy. And then we're gonna try and find a post office, hopefully. Oh, that guy's coughing, that's lovely. We had to go in one at a time, basically. They wouldn't let you just walk in willy-nilly. Poor guys, people are like arguing with him to let them in. Let us in! Look at Jackson in the laundry. You can't jump in. You can't jump in. No, don't do it.
Oh shit, I missed it. I know it's
We'll have it with our suit. Jackson has to inspect every bag.
Yeah.
We just got a donation for Jackson's treats. Oh no! So I was just at the grocery store when it happened, so we did a stock up.
Come here, mate. Jackson.
Say thank you.
Yes. This isn't for you.
This isn't for you, Jackson, despite what you think. Look at, he's like, this is all mine. No, it's not. It's for your friends.
All your Christmas come up once. You think it's Christmas, don't you? He's half asleep. He doesn't even care.
Slow me down, don't wanna do this solo.
doing a sneaky water run first thing in the morning. Oh, you got coffee. Look at this, Brian's come with coffee. We got water here. And we're stocking up the jerry cans and stuff with fuel. Loaded up last night. Oh, sorry, you're taking a photo. I'm just being selfish here.
Desperate times, desperate measures.
Yeah, and here's our sunrise this morning. Isn't that pretty?
Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. I'm so divided, starstruck, but haters got some indecisive.
All right, water has been collected. Oh, wrong side. Now for fuel. Yeah. So we've got our water, we've got our diesel. Now we're gonna head back.
Just can't wake up, cold and sleep alone. This boy's some trouble. When he's around, my problems seem like double. His stupid eyes put me on ice, so no, no.
Look at this poor little guy. Now we're saving crabs. Are you right, buddy? Oh, come back, mate. I'm just gonna get you off the road. Stop moving, stop moving. Got him. Ow! He's got me. Here you go, mate. We almost ran you over, boy.
Cool.
All the day's work, eh?
All the days work, all right?
This week we've saved a tortoise, fed some cats, fed some dogs, saved a crab.
That we thought was a tarantula.
Yeah, we thought it was a tarantula. We should have probably thought it was a crab being this close to the ocean.
Don't wanna do this solo. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me.
Bringing you fill up, hey? You up down, eh, mate? With Dad filling up the water. Just sat there and watched me empty like 150 litres of water into the tanks, staring.
What is that, Finnegan?
Yeah, this one's negative, that one's positive.
Yeah.
What are you
We're
guys
going
doing?
from there.
3 men in your, 4 men in your bedroom.
This,
straight
this
to
joint.
there.
You said?
Rick, you just
No, we
got
should've
very
filmed
excited
it.
there.
Yes, I did.
Hey,
Instead of
Brittany.
being $2,500, it's going to be €20. That's it.
And you know what? You're filming 4 guys with a boner right now.
God!
Ryan.
We fixed the electric wing. I'm so excited.
Brian, your face!
This is legit too. It's not a GoPro hand or anything.
So we've been here for almost... Ryan, have we been here for almost a week now? And these are our nice halyards, and they're pretty much brand new. And we've got some heavier wind coming now, so Ryan's just replacing our lines with a thicker rope. Came from the beach, a lot further than we were though. Hey! He's holding my hand. Thank you. I'm trying to clip Finn's toenails and this is how he repays me.
Look at him. No way.
Vinny! What are you doing? No, you can't go! Vinny! Oh. We have the weirdest animals.
Alright, let's go. We're moving for a massive sale today, just around the corner.
To speak, you're quick to change your mind.
was wrong, even once wasn't anything. So if we had another chance, I would never let you steal my lips. Bring me back
Run! Oh my god. Oh, that was close. All right, let's freaking get it. We're pulling over to this cool bay, and just above there, there's some like cool caves. I actually think David said they're tombs, aren't they?
Yeah, tombs or something. This is called Tomb Bay. So we got some tombs up here. So we're gonna pull onto a bollard here and tow onto the rocks. Grab the end of the rope. The finger.
It's too far.
Okay, you got it?
I can't get it to you!
Okay, hold it on the green bit. Crest the end.
Ah!
Oh look, there's one right there.
Oh yeah, look. You see it up there? That's cool. Now we just have to work out how to get to it. Go, Jackson. From here?
Yeah, I don't think that's a trail.
Everything looks like a oh yeah, this looks like a little trail.
Come on, mate. You're gonna lead the way, huh?
You smell mum.
He just goes straight up.
Wow. Mountain climbing. How nice
In
is it to do
ages.
a bit of exercise?
There's 3.
Where did Jackson go?
He's probably inside. Jackson! No. Oh my god, what if you go in there as a curse? Jackson just goes in there like, hey guys, what's up? We're gonna go in there. Come on, go.
No, I'm scared. Yeah, boys first.
That doesn't look a very pretty place to like. I thought it would be gold and everything everywhere. Lounge chairs, TVs, what's going on?
Lots of that too.
It looks so much more glamorous looking up from shore. Check out the view though. So these guys had a pretty good view. I mean, obviously I wouldn't have been able to seen it, but prime real estate, eh? Where now, boy? Where now, smarty pants?
Good boy.
Alright, we are swimming now because we've done our exercise. We got a bit of washing hang up here. We dropped Brian's
Buffing pad.
Jackson and Finn.
Finn's
Yeah.
like, what the hell?
I said to Brittany it's about 3 meters, but it's actually like 5 meters. Just didn't want to scare her. Did she get it? Yeah. She did it. You realize that's about 5 meters? Oh, it's alright, mate. She made it. She's up. She's done. No sweat.
Ice cream man.
It's like a beer o'clock, it's ice cream o'clock.
Yeah. Alright. The GoPro turned off halfway through that, so I hope it didn't freeze, but Brittany got her ice cream. Yeah.
So the locals just made some beautiful fresh bread for everyone in their pizza oven. Jackson.
Thank you.
Oh. Cheers.
After 6 hours of tying stern 2,
And the women watching while they...
yeah, these guys knitting. Brittany's being old school knitting, and these guys are just knitting.
We're crocheting.
We literally been plodding around playing with stuff and changing lines around, and we've come up with this spider web. And the girls are laughing at us, and we're like, no, it's fun. We're just trying to, like, you know, we got 2 knots of wind coming our way soon, and we just
We gotta hunker down.
we gotta hunker down. We're just, I don't know, guys. We're doing boy stuff. This is like men in the shed. All right, we're in. Everybody, enjoy your isolation.
Don't dig deep like you would have a clue. All I see is how I was a fool. To save my heart.
Basically, we just opened 2 fresh beers, and this one's half full.
And he hasn't had a drink.
First world problems.
No, this is not first world problems. This is a problem.
You're an idiot.
Stooges.
You're an idiot.
We just pulled off for the curfew because Turkey's doing curfews, and this is a 4-day curfew. So we've just been here for the last 4 days. Just doing nothing actually. So yeah, we didn't film much of it because we were just doing a few little odd jobs around the boat, cleaning and that. Wasn't nothing exciting for you guys.
Don't dig deep like you would have a clue. All I see is how I was a fool. To save my heart. Skip beats. Thinking about
Is that your brother? Finny, is that your brother? Finn's upset because Jackson's gone for his bathroom break and he's having a bit of separation anxiety from it. Finny, your brother's back.
Like and subscribe. It's got hair in my face. Ah, Jackson. Jackson says like and describe.
Describe.
Like and subscribe. He's really heavy. He's tricking me. Like that.